The more you try to be special, the more you get hurt. Just be, melt, become a part of the wind, the earth, and become everything as creation intends. It is in the nature of this existence that the phenomena is life is happening as one big process. Don't stick out in trying to be special. Well, no matter how special one may think they are, when they bury us, we are anyway part of this. As we breathe, we are a part of this. As we eat and drink water, we are a part of this. We are anyway part of everything around us. Don't try to be special and stick out. One who sticks out may get smothered. Do not take your individuality so seriously. It's just a great privilege. It is the magnanimity of creation that we have an individual experience. Though we are a tiny speck, we have an individual experience, it's fantastic. But do not take this individuality too seriously and on top of it, trying to be above other individuals by wanting to be special. No, become ordinary, consciously ordinary, so ordinary that you become extraordinary.